Good morning and welcome to all BSc second year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 4th, paper 19, Fish, Gear and Craft Technology. In this paper, we have seen classification of fishing methods, then we have completed fabrication of fishing gears, and then we have seen materials used in manufacture of fishing gears. Last one article we have seen today, studying today, and that article is the materials used in manufacturing of fishing gear, that is study of sinkers. During last period we have studied in 2 points, that is study of floats, different types of float. These are to be used for the manufacturing of fishing gears. These floats are made up of low density materials floats, second high density material floats, and third are the special type of floats. All these 3 types of floats, these are to be used for the manufacturing of fishing gears. All these point means use of these floats. These are to be important to perform the operation of net, as well as to perform the perpendicular position of the net and to a suitable depth. Net these are to be operated, net these are to be stretching. For that purpose, these float, these are to be important, these are to be most useful, which is to be we have seen last period. Now in today's part, we have seen that for the fishing gears or the fishing nets, another important points, aspects, that is the sinkers, or it is also called as weights. Why these sinkers or why these weights, these are to be important? Because due to these sinkers or due to these use of weights, net can be operated properly and proper depths. That's why these sinkers, these are to be play important role, play a major significant role in fish catching, and hence sinkers are the study of weights. These are to be essential when we have studied the materials used in manufacturing or fabrication of fishing gear. In this, these sinkers, these are to be studied, these are to be seen in this part. Sinkers, the sinkers are essential components. The sinkers are essential components of fishing gear. They are used to keep the net. They are used to keep the net in the desired position, as in gill nets, or to keep a trawl open vertically, or to stretch the net downward, as in a purse. What is the use of these sinkers? These sinkers are essential components of fishing gear. These sinkers are essential components of fishing gear, and these sinkers, these are to be important. They are used to keep the net in the desired position. Sinkers, these are to be used to keep the net in a desired position, such as gill net. This sinker, these are to be useful to keep the trawl open vertically, open vertical line, open vertical conditions, or these sinkers, these are to be useful to stretch the net downward direction to a particular depth, to a particular height, as it is to be seen in purse seine. Means as in trawl, as in gill nets or purse seine, these sinkers, these are to be performed different functions. Hence these sinkers, these are to be important, these are to be most useful. The materials used for sinkers are the clay. The materials used for sinkers are the clay, cement, then granite stone, iron, metal, lead. All these are the various materials. Which are the materials? These are to be used to manufacture, to fabricate the sinkers. The materials which is to be used to fabricate these sinkers, these materials are as clay, it is ancient material. Then next to the clay, cement. These cement, these are to be as clay, these are to be backward. Then cement is to be used, cement sinker, these are to be used. Then again it is to be backward. Then development, these are to be occur. Granite stone, then iron metal, lead metals. These are the various weighted substance, weighted materials. These weighted materials, these are to be act as a sinkers. Occasionally materials like copper alloy, brass, pig iron and porcelain are also used. Occasionally the materials which is to be used to fabricate these materials are the copper alloy. Varieties of the copper alloy these are to be found. Then pig iron, it is the iron which is to be pig iron, not it is to be rusting, pig iron. Then porcelain styles or the porcelain material, these porcelain material it is also used as a sinker. The sinker should have high specific gravity. Should be durable and easily available. These are to be more durable, more easily available, and its gravity is to be more as compared to the other materials, as compared to the other metals. When these are to be used, it can be easily sink, it can be easily dumped to the bottom, and it is to be reach to the bottom within short duration. Hence the specific gravity is to be more, it is to be more durable and easily available. The properties and use of different materials are different according to their uses. The property of these materials, different metals, these are to be different according to their uses. Which use these are to be performed, which use these are to be seen, means according to the purpose, according to use of these metals, sinkers have different properties and different uses. Yes. Then next part in this sinker, that is bios. The bios is a floating mark used for following purpose. Bios, not it is the float, remember it is bios next to the float to indicate the net, to navigate the gears in oceans or in seas or in larger rivers, to identify the identification mark. That's why these are to be used. The bios is a floating mark used for the following purpose. Which are the purpose? Navigation as marking channels and approaches. What is the use of bios? Bios is to act as a navigation, as marking channels and approaches. Bios is to be used marking fishing grounds. In a fishing ground, these are to be spread, and in this ground fishing is to be done. Locating the fishing gear in operation. When we operate the fishing gear, to locate the fishing gear, for that purpose these are to be used. For keeping the fishing gear at the required depth, these are to be important, it is to be used. The bios is attached to the fishing gear by the bio line. These are to be attached, these are to be fitted to the fishing gear, that is the nets, by the line, and that line is called as bios line. It is a special line, not a float line. It is the bios line. Below to the float line, a bios line is to be fixed, and to these bios line, these are to be attached. Empty water tight tins, wooden barrels, bigger floats made up of glass, bigger floats made up of aluminum, bigger floats made up of plastic are commonly used as bios. Which are the commonly used as bios? That is empty water tight tins, wooden barrels, bigger floats made up of glass, bigger floats made up of aluminum, plastics are the commonly used bios, which is to be used to indicate the bio lines, to use the nets or the gears. Besides special type of bios are used in gill net. Gill nets and long line fishing. They are light bios, radio bios, and dun bios is used in set gill net as well as in Danish seine nets. Means besides special type of bios are used in gill net and long line fishing net. These bios are light bios, to indicate the light, it is called as light bios. Radio bios, to give the signals, it is called as radio bios. And dun bios is used in the set gill net or as well as the Danish seine net. Those are the net which is to be once operated in river, sea, these nets these are to be fixed for more than 2 to 5 days. At that time, at that condition, net is to be proper place, net is to be proper area, or some poachers can be poaching these net. To identify this condition, these bios these are to be used, bios these are to be fixed. That may be light bios, that may be radio bios, or that may be dun bios. These are to be used in gill nets. Those gill nets these are the set gill net or the Danish Shine nets or Danish Shine net. These nets, these bios these are to be used. Light bios and radio bios are used in tuna long line gears, in sea water, in ocean water, to capture deep sea fishes such as tuna fish. To these tuna fish, these light bios and radio bios these are to be. Depending upon these light bios, we can recognize, or fisherman can recognize where is our nets. To identify the light, we can we can recognize, we can identify this is our nets. Or due to the radio waves, radio bios these are to be used, and to identifying the radio waves, we can identify this is our net. Means to capture the tuna fish in line gears or in deep sea fishing, to use these light bios and radio bios to identify the ground, to identify our nets. Hence these bios these are to be important, these bios these are to be used. Then anchors. Anchor is a large and heavy instrument. Anchors is a large and heavy instrument designated to hold the ship in a desired locality. Anchor is a large and heavy instrument designated or designed to hold the ship in any desired locality and prevent her from drifting at the mercy of wind, tide and current. बऱ्याच वेळेस पाण्यामध्ये लाटा किंवा जसं आता काल परवा तुम्ही पाहिलं चक्रीवादळ आलं, या चक्रीवादळामध्ये जहाज, होडी वाहून जाऊ नये, आपली होडी दूर जाऊ नये, कुठं पाण्याच्या प्रवाहात जाऊ नये, ड्रिफ्टिंग होऊ नये, किंवा ते ड्रिफ्टिंग वाऱ्यासोबत असेल, लाटेसोबत असेल, किंवा वातावरणाचा दाब तयार झाला, किंवा पाण्याच्या करंटसोबत असेल, पाण्याच्या व्हॅलॉसिटीसोबत असेल, अशा वेळेस शिप्स नेट्स वाहून जाऊ नये म्हणून आपण काय अँकोरेज. अँकोरेज इट इज हेवी मटेरियल. These are to be anchored to the bank of the sea, bank of the ocean, and to these anchors, with the help of rope, our net, our ship, these are to be tied. एका किनाऱ्याला हे अंकोर आपण गाडले जातात किंवा रोवले जातात, आणि या अंकोरच्या साह्यानं, रोपच्या साह्याने किंवा वायरच्या साह्यानं आपण नेट किंवा शिप काय करतो, बांधून ठेवतो. त्याला आपण म्हणतो अँकोर्स. अँकोर्स इज अ लार्ज अँड हेवी इन्स्ट्रुमेंट डिझाइन्ड टू होल्ड द शिप in any desired locality and prevent her drifting, वाहून जाणे, at the mercy of wind, tide and current. Anchors are essential especially in case of engine failures or radar breakdown. When these anchors these are to be important, these anchors these are to be most useful whenever there is failure of engine or at the time of sea or ocean, your radar is to be breakdown, it is to be not functioning, it is to be not working. At that time, the boats, ships, these are to be vulnerable. These ships are to be mercy to swim from one part to the other part. To avoid this condition, these anchors, these are to be used. These anchors, these are to be importantly act as the to anchor to hold the ships or nets. They are also handy. They are also handy in sailing boats when wind is not favorable. When wind is not favorable, heavy wind is occur, storm is to be occur, tides are occur. At that time, with this handy anchors, we can fix our boat, ship or net to a particular place, and it is to be protect to flow, protect to drifting. Often the vessels are anchored near the set gear. Anchor the often, sometimes, occasions, your net, your gears is also anchored to your vessels, to your ship with the help of anchors. Stones, wood tied with stones, iron, cement, concrete, steel are used as a materials for anchors. Which material these are to be used for anchors? Stones, wood tied with stone, wood tied with stone, लाकूड दगडाला बांधून ठेवायचं. आयर्न अँड सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट, आयर्न अँड cement, concrete or steel. These are used as a materials for the anchors, for the anchoring materials. See, these are the figures of anchors. These are the figures. These are the anchoring. These are to be anchoring to the ground. These are the ropes, and these materials, these are to be anchorage to the different part. These are the fine shape, that is fisherman. These are to be full up. These are the arm. These are to be crown, and these are to be gravity band. These are to be fixed into the mud, fixed into the stone, dug into the stone, and with these anchorage, our net, our ship, these are to be tied. Another type of these are to be Danforth. This is again triple palm. This is also again triple palm, that is anchors. This is also another gravity brand anchors. These are to be occur. This is one type. This is a gravel or grapnel like that of the, that is hooks. These are also one type of anchor. These are to be anchorage our nets, pulling to the different ships hooks, and these are to be anchor our nets. It is also a fluke or plug, and plug anchoring. This is another type of. These are the anchors, means figure of these various types of anchors used in fishing gears, used in fishing nets, and with the help of these anchors we can protect our ship, we can protect our nets to drifting out, to flow with water current, and we can save our life, as well as we can save our gears, save our ship to drift away, to flow away. Just we have seen in last 2 days, due to the storm, these are to be occur in Indian coastal belt. Number of fishermen, number of ships, these are to be completely dumped into the sea, and more than 80 people can be died due to these storm. Such condition is to be occur when these anchor, these are to be used to anchorage the ships to a particular area, to particular place near to the bank of this ocean or sea. It can be avoid the death of human being. That's why these anchorage, these various types of anchorage, these are to be important. These are to be used to fix the nets. With these, see, this is the net, these are to be operated, and with these nets, with these net, these are the bios line. These are the indicators. These are the bios indicator. These are the bios indicator. These are the bios indicator, and with these bios indicator we can indicate these are the floats, but these are the bios, and to these bios we can fix our nets, identify our net, in which area, in which depth our net is to be fixed into the water bodies, and what is the location, what is the condition of these bios, these are to be identified. Means these are the different bios, and these are the different part, and with this first, that is sinkers, bios, and that is the anchors. These anchors, that is, these are to be seen in this part. With this, hope you understood. With this sinkers, bios, and anchors, we can complete the another important article, or the second most last article of this materials used in manufacturing of fishing gears, and that materials are the, that is the sinkers, bios, and anchors. Hope you have understood all these articles, all these materials, and all these parts. In next part we have completed the last point of our unit, and with this we have complete this unit. Thank you all of you.